So we just had our roast duck, Peking duck in Chinatown. So I'm showing you the line there. Hand pulled noodles, dumpling. What? That's a line for that? Gift shop. Canal Street, Chinatown. Here we are. This is Canal Street, Chinatown. Oh yeah. So they sell vegetable here, and I think these people racking up. But yeah, this is Canal Street.
It's so funny, bro.
Okay, yeah.
Đây chụp.
I don't know what street I parked my car. I'm guessing probably this street. So let's give it a shot and see. If not, probably go to the other street. I think it's right here. I think this is the street I parked my truck.
Want to airport Davis?
Yep, I could see my Jeep. Nope, that's not my Jeep. Oh yeah, that's my Jeep up there. But retail wholesale.
How are you? YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube, country boy in town.
Where are you from, brother?
Me? Where I'm from?
India?
No, I'm from Guyana.
Guyana.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's I'm from Guyana.
Okay, Rutila, you know that, right?
What is that?
The Rutila. You know that? Guyana, they speak the Rutila. You don't know.
No.
Maybe you get again from the bread. Bread.
Roti.
Roti, yeah,
Roti,
rotila.
yeah. Oh, what do you call it?
The Rutila.
Rotila?
Yeah.
All right, so
What's your Instagram? Sorry, the YouTube.
Country
hey,
boy.
how are you? Where from?
Can I have a key?
Yes, give me 1 minute. Yeah. Oh,
Hi, thank you.
YouTube,
country
right?
boy in town. I'm sure.
To subscribe. Speak family. That's a good too, right?
See that?
Okay. Count to C O U N T R Y B O Y. In town, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one? Oh, 56, right?
No, not 56. Country boy in tongue, that's it.
Wow.
No, wrong. That's not it.
This one? Okay, I give it my phone. They do it.
So you want me to find country boy in tongue. Yeah.
Is it subscribe?
No. Wait. You gotta go, but
Subscribe which
so
one?
yeah.
Like,
Mhm.
the like-
Continue. Mhm. And
Phone number?
put your email. Your email.
Mhm. Oh,
You put in your email.
yeah.
Which color? What's a good color? Black? That black looks good. I want a watch. I want to get a watch.
That's they honestly email or phone
That's
number?
your email.
Yeah.
Or phone. Put your phone number.
Does that sound good?
What up?
So I go to YouTube. So I knew the YouTube, right?
Yeah, but that's me.
I love you, bro.
Okay, I will subscribe.
Yeah, you gotta subscribe, right.
Continue.
Enter your phone number here.
718-629.
And meanwhile, I could.
314.
And this is your store? You work here?
Yes, this is my store. I'm the boss.
You're the
I
boss
have
there?
this one. I have the other one. I have a 84 Mulberry, 91 Mulberry, 71 Mulberry, and a 111 more.
And what you sell?
We sell gift shop with like a t-shirt, sweatshirt, perfume, and all souvenir system for New York.
And where you bring them from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, you have swag.
Yes, boss.
Mm-hmm. All right. All right. You tune in? You get it?
I try, but maybe you have to sign out, right? Sign in. This is my email is good too. I don't
Do
know.
you have a
Password? They asked me password, I guess. Give me 1 minute. No.
What's the name of your store?
Arshia Fashion, Arshia Gift and Fashion Inc.
What is that?
Arshia
Ashia
Gift and Fashion
Gift
Inc.
and Fashion Inc. And you are located on Canal Street and what?
Mulberry Street.
Canal and Mulberry Street.
And anything that the people coming, I give you 20% off, whatever they want.
20% off.
Yes.
Got you, brother.
Okay, brother.
All right.
I don't got it, but I don't know. It's for my email is good.
So here what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna log out here and I'm gonna help this guy connect. All right. So stay tuned.
Thank you so much.